Brea.
I'm Teddy.
And today we're gonna do
DIY
room decor
hacks.
So we're gonna show you how to decorate your room in this quarantine. And let's get on to the video. Okay, so guys, for the first DIY, you need a cardboard. Draw a circle on it, like it could be at any size, like your wish. You could draw a small one, a big one, and then cut it out like this. And then after you cut it out, you can paint it in like any color. I painted it in red and blue, which might look like purple. And then you can write a code or your name or literally anything. I'm gonna write our names, so we're gonna write our names, and then the final look is this. Okay, so for the next hack, you need a plain white A4 size paper. We're gonna make calendars, so you need a paper, and then you're gonna cut that paper into pieces like this, and yeah, so that you have to cut everything like equally, equally. So cut every piece equally, and for the numbers, the pieces should be like this thin, and for like writing the name of the month, the pieces should be like this big, so that'd be better. Okay, so after that, you just need to take the pieces and write the numbers.
Let's make them darker.
So here they are, dark and clear. So now we have to punch some holes so that we can hang them nicely. So 3, 2, 1, go. Here are them punched with holes or whatever you can call it. Now we have to write the month's name on the big paper. So let's get the big paper. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a cupcake while writing the name. You can like do anything. Draw a cupcake, not draw a cupcake. It's literally your wish. Okay, that's the cameraman's leg. We are new, so sorry. Now I'm gonna draw the cupcake. So this is a cupcake I'm gonna draw. You can draw an ice cream, or it's okay if you don't want to draw anything. I'm gonna draw a cupcake with some cherry, and now let's color it. Color. So hope you liked this video. If you did,
Like, share, and subscribe.
we'll meet you guys in our next video. Till then,
Bye.